How to change WordPress front-end submission form styling. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to change WordPress front-end submission form styling. The plugin offers dozens of options you can explore and select. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, install the WordPress front-end submission plugin. You can purchase it on Youzify.com. We put the product page URL in the description of this video. Once all required plugins are already activated, go to Youzify panel, Front-End Forms. Click the existing form there. But if no form created yet, please create a new one. And then, go to the styling settings. The plugin offers dozens of options you can explore and select. You can change the colors, set padding, margin, pagination styling, navigation styling, etc. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.